I was looking for a tailgate but couldn't find one because this is flat. You know, the Datsuns, I think the Datsuns were flat and the Nissans were round here. But to find a flat-sided one was difficult, but I found it. I found it. I found a blue one, but I mean this thing's just flat here, so it's fine. Now just to fix dents, when I can paint it yellow, then put it on. See, it's a few dents, not a lot, but there's a few is there. Let's get it out first. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, this is all the dents I could find. See, so just will wait till it dry and then flat it, primer and all that stuff again. Hopefully today I can paint it. Hopefully. Primer is on, but look here, look here, look here. I missed that one. Man. So I'll put on some more filler. Then paint it tomorrow again, primer. It has to be right, man. Small dents covered now with some spot putty, but they take a longer time to dry, so because they're thicker. So I think tomorrow I can tackle this side. Yeah. Nope. Do it over. Paint it. Now just let it dry and I can install it. Yeah. There's just a little run marks here, but I'll sand that out. Okay, but yeah, done. There's still a few run marks I have to sand down, but I think it's good. I like it. Tailgate and everything. Now just put the stickers on and stuff, and then then I'm done with it.